It is always a joy to give handcrafted gift rather than purchased one. Since Diwali is around the corner and I am planning to make special gifts for my friends and family, and that special gift is miniature garden. Miniature gardens are pleasure to make. Among all types of miniature gardens, succulent mini garden are my favorite one. If you remember, couple of months before I made one video on succulent miniature garden. You can see right here it looks so amazing and precious, and it requires very less care, it is very less demanding, and succulents do very well in winter season. So they are perfect gift for Diwali. For all these miniature gardens, mostly I am using succulents from my home garden because succulents are easy to propagate by cutting or by multiplying. Let's begin. I will be showing two garden designs here. To make this garden, you will need plants suitable for mini gardens. I am using succulents here. Then pot, soil mix, and for decoration, if you have any garden ornaments, you can use. I am using a ceramic pot here. It is around 8 inch deep. I prefer to use ceramic material for mini garden projects. You can also use terracotta plastic pots. It's entirely your choice, but make sure it has drainage hole that is essential for every miniature garden project. The first step, cover the bottom hole with stone or pebble, then add a layer of small gravel or pebbles. This is the most important step for survival of succulents. Then add succulent potting mix, or if you have garden soil, mix sand or perlite in it to make soil well draining. You can purchase ready-made succulent potting mix from Amazon. I will put the link in the description box. Before you start planting, always keep some theme for the garden design and then plant succulents. Plant the bigger one first so you will get the idea for remaining plants and garden ornaments arrangement. After planting, clean the succulents with paintbrush, then add a layer of stone or pebbles and then place garden ornaments as per garden theme. Here I am keeping this very simple, not so complicated. Just one home, in front of that I am making a lake. And this Echeveria succulent imitating the lotus in the lake, and some garden ornaments. That's it. Simple, beautiful, yet easy to maintain. For the second garden, I am using a boat-shaped ceramic container, and this garden will mimic a desert jungle. So I am arranging all succulent asymmetrically for more natural look. As I shared with you, most of the succulents from my garden, as they are easy to propagate by cutting. After planting all succulents, put some potting mix, but keep some space for watering on top, and then add a layer of pebbles, and if you want you can add some ornaments. And now it is ready. I am making these gardens for gifting purpose, so I have used maximum hardy succulent, and that doesn't need much care. Just keep them in bright indirect light near a sunny or south facing window and water them once in a 10 to 12 days. They will be fine with that. I barely water my succulent garden once in a 2 weeks. If plants start losing their green color and become leggy, that's a sign you are overwatering and then need more light, so help them accordingly. I hope this sustainable and wonderful gift, the miniature garden, will lighten up your relationships with your family and friends. Wish you a very happy Diwali everyone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, happy gardening.